that's how you learn what you really need to be able to execute a business process. We always think we understand it, but we tend to find out the hard way when the levee breaks or you have an outage. Again, you don't need to build to peak, you just need to be able to scale to peak. And that's the auto scaling. And then making use of the high availability features. There are features within cloud, particularly third-party cloud offerings, that recognize that your network or your network connection is having a problem. You can do keep alives. You can look at DNS, and it can sense, hey, wait, this route. There's some very intelligent DNS capabilities out there now, or DNS-like, DNS-related, that will enable you to offload when you start to see a problem. Load balancing. It works inside with your server clusters. It works on steroids in the cloud. Auto scaling. Now, you can set up things, and CloudWatch is actually, that's an Amazon-specific feature, but the idea is you can set a minimum. Minimum equals 1. If I never lose everything, it will spawn a new thing, a new one, a new instance of a machine with applications and what you need loaded on them. And I go back to that loose coupling. That is key. It allows you to pull different parts out without the whole thing shutting down. All right. Now, the next bullet is pretty important. Carefully consider trade-offs of vendor-specific solutions. And I know that I'm reading right from that slide, and that this slide is wordy, but again, they're being offered for you after the fact. What I mean by that is that there are a lot of emerging capabilities in particularly third-party cloud providers, and they are fantastic. Some of them are extremely cost-effective.